Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to make a beautiful lantern. So let's get started. The first thing which you are going to need to make this lantern is a scale, a pair of scissors, a stapler, pencil, a brush. Well, brush is optional as I'm going to use this brush to spread the glue so that the glue won't waste. Next is some glue, and the next thing is some papers. I'm using A4 papers here. Two papers should be of the same color and the other two paper can be of different colors. I'm using white and a pink color, but you can use white and any other color too. So let's get into the video. So let's get started. The first thing which we are going to make is a lantern. For that, I have a A4 paper right here. I'm going to fold it in half vertically, like this. Okay, so I have folded my two A4 papers in half vertically. Now I'm going to cut them. Okay, so now I'm going to cut the white paper also. Okay, so I have cut my white paper too. Now we are going to fold the paper like this. Now okay, so now I'm going to draw a line ½ inch from here with a ruler. Another point so that the line would be straight. Now I'm going to draw the line. Now I'm going to divide this whole piece into equal parts. You can even divide it in ½ inches too. Okay, so now I'm going to draw a line. to cut through the lines. Okay, so I've cut through the lines. Now I'm going to unfold it, and then I'm going to join this part to this part. As you can see, it's a little smaller, so it will be easier for me to join them. Now I'm going to staple them together. So the last thing should look like this. So now you just need to make more 4 units of them with the half of the paper. Okay, so I just realized that it would be better that the half paper would be of 1/4. So now I have folded it in one more half. So I have one bigger unit, and these 4 will make out the smaller units. So now I'm going to make them 2. The same process. Okay, now I'm going to make the lantern. Okay, so now I've made all the lanterns. The house is seeming like it's filled with lanterns. Okay, anyway, now we are going to make the hanger of the lanterns. So let's keep it aside. And this is my cardboard. Okay, so now I'm going to stick this bright yellow color paper to this cardboard. Now I'm going to stick glue in here, stick it at here, and then cut these extra paper and also stick it at here. So I will be doing this off the camera, so bye. Okay, so now I have sticked the paper. Now I'm going to take another paper and stick it on this side, which is already done. So I have also punched some holes using a safety pin of the camera, the same. Now I am going to stick the thread to these holes. So now I am going to take a piece of wool of around 15 centimeters, but now so I have cut a piece of wool. It's pretty long, so I'm not able to show the full. So now I'm going to tie one end of the wool, and then using the another end of the wool, I'm going to insert it at here. Okay, so I have inserted all the strings in all the holes. Now I'm going to attach the lantern. So as you can see at here, this middle one, I have left a longer part at here so that I could hang the wall hanger. Otherwise the wall hanger won't be a wall hanger. So now I'm going to attach the bigger lantern in one end. So now I'm going to attach the bigger lantern to the thread. So now I'm going to place it over here using a staple, fix it, and done. So now you need to do it all together. So I'm going to place the white lantern and pink lantern alternately, which means one will be a white lantern, the next one would be a pink lantern. So here's my white lantern, place over, and then fix it. Place it over, and then fix it. So that's it. So I have attached all the strings and lanterns. So this is how it looks. I have attached them in a pattern which is from small to big. This all depends on the length of the string. So I have adjusted the length of the string, and the larger lantern was in between at here, and the middle hole, it has become the home for the main string on which the whole lantern is going to be supported. So this is the final look, guys. All the hard work has came out like this. So if you want to make more beautiful things like these, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.